Good evening, children. Today we are going to discuss about one of the important topics in biology, artificial kidney hemodialysis. So before discussing of artificial kidney hemodialysis, so I request you all subscribe the channel, share the channel, and like the channel. All biology classes are available in Easy Goal channel and also Toppers class. So today our topic is artificial kidney hemodialysis. Complete and irreversible kidney failure is called ESRD, end stage renal disease. End stage renal disease, ESRD. If both the kidneys stop working, wastewater, extra water, and waste products are stored or accumulated in the body. So this condition is called uremia. This condition is called uremia. Legs and feet will be swelled, and the tiredness, weakness. These are the symptoms of uremia. The condition is called this. The symptoms of this disease: swelling of legs, feet, and tiredness, weakness are the symptoms. So uremia. Now we are going to discuss what are the factors. Several factors are common reasons for kidney pain. The first reason: very high blood pressure. High blood pressure. Very high blood sugar, diabetes, infections, tropical fungal, protozoal, viral infections, injuries. Next, restricted blood flow. Restricted blood flow towards kidneys. These are the main or common reasons for kidney pain. Is there any solution? There is a solution to removal of waste material from the body to outside. The solution is called artificial kidney hemodialysis. Hemodialysis. Kidneys are the vital organs, very important organs in our body. So these are the common reasons for kidney failure. If the person is suffering with kidney failure, what is the solution? Removal of waste material. There is a solution. The solution is called artificial kidney hemodialysis. Chemo means blood. Dialysis means purifying, filtration of blood to removal of waste material, separation of waste material from the blood. So hemodialysis, it is an artificial process, artificial filtration, artificial kidney hemodialysis. So there is a apparatus. The apparatus is called dialyzer. What is it? Apparatus dialysis. With the help of this apparatus, doctors treat the patients who are suffering with in this stage renal disease or kidney failure. Complete or irreversible kidney failure condition is called end stage renal disease. So what is that? What is the procedure we follow during this dialysis process? So this is what dialyzation, dialyzer. So while during this process, doctors collect the blood from a patient artery. Collect the blood from artery of patient to dialyzer. Okay, this is the line from artery to pump. So collect the blood from the artery of patient into the dialyzing machine. So while collecting the blood, while collecting the blood, that they will mix a fluid. The fluid is called heparin. What is that fluid? Heparin. It is an anticoagulant solution which prevents the blood clotting. Blood clotting. Prevent coagulation. So anticoagulant fluid, heparin. While collecting the blood, they mix the blood heparin fluid and collect the blood into dialyzing apparatus, dialyzer. Here if you see inside the dialyzing machine, there are many membrane channels, tubes are there. Many tubes or channels are there. The channels are there of the cellophane membrane. Cellophane membranes. So they are like selectively permeable. They are the selectively permeable membrane. Cellophane means what? A very thin membrane. Selectively permeable membrane. They act like a selectively permeable membrane. These channels and tubes are embedded in a dialyzing solution. Okay, this is what dialyzing solution. Okay, all the channels or tubes are embedded in a dialyzing solution. Okay, this is what fresh dialyzing solution. Okay, now channels or tubes are embedded in a fresh dialyzing solution. So what is I mean by dialyzing solution? Dialyzing solution, the composition, osmotic composition is equal to, similar to, same to the blood plasma. Blood plasma and a fresh dialyzing solution composition is equal, say, except nitrogenous waste. The nitrogenous waste is the blood. Except that the blood plasma and the fresh dialyzing solution is same. Composition is same. While throwing of blood between the channels, tubes, the nitrogenous waste filter out, freely move free. You know that process. The process is called diffusion. Concentration molecules, high concentrated molecules move from higher concentration to lower concentration. Molecules move from higher concentration to lower concentration. For example, if you see this is a channel or tube. When the blood flows through this channel or tube, so the nitrogenous waste is diffuses into the dialyzing solution. Just now we have discussed dialyzing solution and also blood plasma equal composition except to nitrogenous waste. So nitrogenous waste, concentrated nitrogenous waste diffuses from the channels or tubes to dialyzing solution. So by the process, all the waste materials are separated, move out freely from the channels or tubes to dialyzing solution. The dialyzing solution, fresh dialyzing solution is sending to the dialyzing machine, and the used dialyzing solution is collected into another bottle. Okay, this is what used dialyzing solution with urea and salts. The waste materials are collected along with the used dialyzing solution in this bottle. After completion of blood filtration, cleaning of blood by the help of these channels or tubes, the blood is collected and sent to back to the body of the patient by the help of a line line from apparatus to vein, line from apparatus to vein. So while collecting the blood from artery and while giving the blood to the patient back to the patient body through vein. So line from apparatus to vein. Okay. Here also while giving of while sending of blood after completion of filtration, the blood is sent to the back to the body of patient, given to the vein of the patient, supplied through given through the patient through vein to the patient. So here also they will add the mix. The solution is called heparin. What is that solution? Heparin. So it is an anticoagulant solution which prevent blood clotting, coagulation. So heparin, one of the important fluid, by collecting the blood and while giving the blood to the patient, they will mix the blood to prevent blood clotting, to prevent coagulation. So after giving the blood to the patient, so all the waste materials of the all the waste materials in the patient body cleared, excess water and waste materials are filtered by the help of this process, artificial kidney hemodialysis. So what is the disadvantage of this method, hemodialysis? One difference, one disadvantage, there is no reabsorption. Reabsorption is not involved in this process. So it is same process like a kidney, but only one difference, one disadvantage is what reabsorption will not be removed. Reabsorption is not takes place. That is a disadvantage of this method, hemodialysis. So it takes 3 to 6 hours. 3 to 6 hours. One dialysis process, it takes 3 to 6 hours time, and the doctor suggests to the patient who are suffering from kidney failure, ESRD, in stage renal disease. So most of the patients recovered were removed their waste material from their body to outside by the help of this mechanism, artificial hemodialysis. So this is one of the important topic in biology. Class 10, hemodialysis, artificial kidney hemodialysis. So these are the common reasons for kidney failure. So very high blood pressure, a very high blood sugar, infections, injuries, restricted blood flow to kidneys. These are the main or common reasons for kidney failure. The book is not artificial kidney hemodialysis. Inside the hemodialysis, inside the dialysis machine, there are many channels or tubes are there. They are embedded in a dialyzing solution and also blood plasma, equal composition. Blood plasma and dialyzing solution both are equal composition except nitrogenous waste. So nitrogen waste is filtered out, moved out by the process of diffusion. The molecules move from higher concentration to lower concentration. If you see this, so for example, this is a channel or tube embedded between a dialyzing solution. The nitrogenous substances diffuses out from blood plasma to dialyzing solution. So the waste used dialyzing solution is collected into mother bottle. So it is become extra urea and the salts and waste materials extra water. So this is the method procedure of IAM. solution. Dialyzing process. Dialyzing process, and the method is part dialysis or artificial kidney. Okay, thank you all. So we'll discuss which time we'll discuss another topic. Thank you.